Nakii Water Filter Pitcher. BPA Free, FDA approved, and WQA certified, the Nakii Pitcher delivers on a variety of safety concerns. This is one of the best water filter pitchers, built for durability, and with a sturdy design highlighting a wooden handle, the Nakii lasts for years. The Nakii Pitcher uses a carbon filter to catch contaminants like mercury, lead, sediment, and chlorine. Carbon filters are also known to reduce limescale, or the hardness of the ware. You will immediately notice a vast improvement in taste. The bonus? These filters last for a very long time. The manufacturer doesn't provide a recommended time frame, but we found that they last for about 4 to 6 months with constant use. The filters are built to withstand up to 150 gallons of water in their lifetime. The price of the Nakii Pitcher is reasonable, and the filters are inexpensive, but the Nakii Pitcher fell behind the Alkaline Pitcher because of its size. The Nakii only holds 1.8 liters of water. This equals about 7.5 cups. You will probably refill this pitcher a few times a day if you have more than one person living in the home.